Today we're going to make a pumpkin out of polymer clay using just 2 colors and 1 optional color. If you want to make a jack-o'-lantern, then you'll need some warm yellow, otherwise you will only need orange and olive green Papa's clay. If you want to make a jack-o'-lantern, then combine some warm yellow and orange and make a thick clay slab with it. Use it to cover a ball of foil and blend it all in and smooth it out. Now roll out some orange clay and cover your foil ball or yellow clay with it. If you're making a jack-o'-lantern, then make sure your orange clay slab is thinner than the yellow one you made earlier. Again, cover everything up and smooth it all out. Take a dotting tool and press in the center of the orange clay, and then use your needle tool to make 4 separate crosses across your pumpkin. Take a needle tool and push those lines in that you made earlier and follow them all the way down the pumpkin and just continue to push them in. So do this throughout your whole pumpkin and be careful not to squash the lines as you go through the whole thing. Once you've made all those lines, take your needle tool and very gently press down some more lines in between the deeper lines you made earlier. Again, do this all across your pumpkin from the top to the bottom, and do this step very gently so that you don't ruin the lines that you made in the first step. This will give your pumpkin the extra little bit of detail to make it look even more realistic. Once you're ready to bake, poke a little hole at the top or the bottom of your pumpkin to let the air escape, and then put it in the oven and bake it. Once your pumpkin has cooled down, take a piece of olive green clay and put it on the top of your pumpkin like a stem, and then use a ribbon tool to cut away any excess clay that is in between those indentation lines in your pumpkin. Then you can use a needle tool or a dotting tool to texturize the stem. Cut off any excess stem from the top and then use a needle tool or dotting tool again to texturize the base of your stem. And that's the last step, and then you can put it in the oven for the final bake. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials in part 2 and check out our link in the description below to order Papa's Clay.